What's up guys, I want to show you guys one of my favorite desserts. It has 50 grams of protein with under 400 calories and it takes less than 2 minutes to make. Let me show you how to make some protein ice cream. To make the base of the ice cream, it only takes 4 ingredients. Ice, 2 scoops of protein powder, the milk of a nut of your choice, and a bit of a xanthan gum for texture. To flavor your ice cream, you can add whatever you want. I've used fruits, cookies, and even baklava, but today I'm going for cookies and cream, so I'm adding 2 Oreos and a bit of sweetener. Ice cream already makes you happy, but to get even happier, I'm going to add 1 big scoop of magu, and that's it. You just blend it up and you're good to go. This whole thing of ice cream has over 50 grams of protein and less than 400 calories. So this is a great way to hit your daily minimum protein intake. If you learned something, make sure you click that follow button and don't forget to stay healthy and happy.